Hi, my name is Angela from Mathnasium of Apex, and this holiday season we just wanted to share and suggest some great math and STEM gifts for your mathlete. All of these can be found on Amazon, Walmart, and Target. One of our favorite games in the center is Even Stevens Odd. This is a great game. It's one of our favorites in the center. It really helps with number sense, addition, subtraction, and even a little bit of division. You can even change the difficulty and adjust it by changing out the cards that you'll play during the game. Another one of our favorites in the center is our electric staff circuits. This is something that we've had out during our STEM activities. Our students really love it because it's hands-on, and it's great for beginners because it comes with a booklet with a bunch of projects that have little explanations for them. Another great STEM gift for your mathlete would be this box of STEM challenges. This is for 2nd to 5th graders, and each of these cards has an experiment or a challenge for them to do. There's a visual list of all the items that you'll need to complete the challenge, and each activity is pretty short, so they can get it done independently. Hints are included, and there's a simple explanation of the science behind each challenge. Loose Change is a great card game for our students who are working on addition facts. It's also great for our students who are learning about coins and money. Another one of our popular games in the center is Double Shutter. Our students really love this game. They can play in pairs, and it's great to practice addition and doubling. Lastly, Sum Swamp is a great board game for our students who are working on their addition and subtraction facts. This would be a great option to pull out during family game night to keep math fun and interesting for your mathlete. Thank you for joining us as we shared and suggested our favorite math and STEM activities and games for you. We hope that you have a fun, healthy, and safe holiday season from us at Mathnasium to you.